Vanakkam, welcome back. In this session, let's create face emotion detector. Sounds fabulous, right? Yes. Extremely excited to share a very simple code to detect our own facial emotions, face emotions, that is real-time face emotion detector. Actually speaking, face detection in pictures or images, it's very complicated because, human faces are completely different from one another, right? Each of us have different expressions, different postures, different orientations, different skin tones, different shapes. Some of us will wear glasses, some of us will not wear glass, then facial hair, blah blah blah, and so on. So let's try to create a code to detect facial expressions, when there is no expression, neutral, sad face, then when you are excited, surprised, disgusting face, and so on. The code is pretty simple. Let's get straight into it. Let's open PictoBlox and choose Python coding, and now select the toby.py. Okay, so now we are going to write the coding. Okay, now the first task is to turn on the camera. First we have to turn on the camera, then only it will be able to detect our faces, right? So before that, let's create an object called FD. FD is equal to face detection. You can select this. Okay, it's coming twice, so I'm deleting one FD. Face detection. Okay, so now this FD is used to get access to the face detection extension and its method. There are so many face detection functions will be available. So now all the face detection functions will be stored in the variable FD. Next, we will use the different face detection functions to turn on the video, then enable the boundary box. Boundary box is the box which will appear in the face, okay? And set the threshold also. To analyze the image or the video from the stage, your face or the video, whatever will appear in the stage, right? So to analyze the image or the video from the stage, we have to use the code fd.analyze_stage. Okay, fd.analyze_stage function should be used, right? Then we have to turn on the camera now. Okay, so we have to turn on the camera. So let's use the function fd.video on. Okay, so now your video will be turned on. So at value 0, the camera feed will be shown as it is on this stage. Okay, it will be very clear as it is on this stage. Now the next one is we have to enable the box, correct? So fd.enable box function. Okay, now this function is to enable the bounding box on the face. So after this we have to set the threshold. Okay, fd.th set threshold. I'm sorry, set. Yeah, it is coming threshold. You can give any values between 0 to 1. So let's give 0.4. So actually the threshold is nothing but very simple. It is setting the confidence level of the computer. So if the confidence level is is set below the confidence level which is set, it will not give you the output. Okay, so how accurate you want your facial detection to be, you have to select the numbers between values between 0 to 0.9. So threshold is nothing but setting the confidence level of the computer. Now the next stage is to detect the face. Okay, So stage 1 is over, that is to turn on the camera, that we have completed. Now we have to detect the face. So we will use analyze and expression functions. These two functions will be used to detect the face. Okay. Now I want to use these functions throughout the program executions. So we have to use these functions inside the loop. If I use only once, you will be able to analyze your face only once. So I want to use these functions throughout the program execution. So let's use loop. So let's use while loop and make that while loop a forever loop. So let me type while. Okay, you can give 1 or you can give true. I am giving while true. Now analyzing fd dot analyze camera. Okay, fd dot analyze camera. So the next we have to use analyze. This is the analyze function to get the live footage from the camera. That's what we are using, fd dot analyze camera, which is used to get the live footage from the camera. Now face detection is done. The next step is to make the Toby say the facial expression from the camera. Your face is detected, your camera is on, face is detected. Now face expression will be detected. Based on the expression, the Toby has to say, right? If your face is sad, it has to say sad. If there is no facial expression, it has to say neutral. Okay. So for that, we have to write if the face is first if the face is detected, the Toby sprite should say the face expression. Suppose if the face is not at all detected, then the Toby has to say no face detected. So there is if detected one statement, if not detected the other statement. So we have to use if else. So let's use if. Okay, fd dot count. What is fd dot count? We are counting the face. If the face count is greater than 0, that means if there is at least minimum one face should be there to check the facial expression. So we are giving the condition greater than 0. Sprite, okay, dot say. The sprite has to say what it has to say. fd dot the expression of the face, right? So I'm giving expression function. Okay, so when the fd face count is greater than 0, the count of the face is expressed, face count is greater than 0, the sprite has to say the expression, correct? Else what has to be done? The sprite should say no face detected. No face detected. Okay, so we have completed the coding. Let's try executing. Let's click run. So the model is getting loaded. So we have to wait for a few seconds. I'm excited. Let's see how it is going to detect my face. So as of now, it is telling no face detector. Let's wait. Yeah. See? Happy face. Sad face. Surprised. Yeah. Disgusted. Yay. Happy face. Yay. Successfully we have executed the code. This is a must-try activity. You'll be really excited if you do this activity. Okay? So thanks for watching and let's meet soon with the next task. Bye-bye.